I've sent a link to this video. I'm leaving a link on the screen. Bally's or Paris Hotel, the Doctor Who bathroom, or whatever you want to call it. Las Vegas Shooting Archive, November 14th, 2018. The backup copy off of archive.org is missing, so I don't have the original video, so this is what I can work with. I need a link to the original file, not a vague reference. Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department release number 28 is also missing, and this is supposed to be #00585. Now, every time I've ever tried to look up this kind of thing, it's always under some other name on some of their websites. So, again, a link, or I'm not going to go any further. Undetermined officers footage, body-worn camera number 585, Las Vegas Police Department release 28. 123 body-worn cameras. Now, that is very familiar, but I can't find it at the link that was given. Full release will be available as soon as possible, and it's not at the link that was given. Anyway, they mentioned during it gold dot ammo, and the only thing I could find on that was CCI Spear brand. Don't know if that's valid or relevant. Anyway, this is 4 miles from Mandalay Bay, and this is supposed to have been either a 17 caliber mini round at the location, 4 miles away in a city that apparently has lots of bullet drops and people just leaving crap everywhere, or other. So we're going to look at just the images that look at that bullet in his hand. Now, depending on which frame you're looking at, it looks like it could be anything. But you have to see the full size of the casing, bullet, the whole thing. So let's go on with that for a few seconds here. So here's the first frame where it's close enough you can get an idea of the diameter and length of it. And it looks like an oversized 22 at this angle because we're only seeing the light, the lit up side, the glint. Here we see it again. I want you to go back and forth real quick. Very blurry. So let's not use that. This is clearer, but not perfectly sharp. And now you can see, oh, it's a shell with a bullet still in it. That's not a shell that necks down to anything. And then it's tilted towards us. And that's, again, it looks like a solid slug hollow point kind of thing, but I can't tell. And there we see another profile of it. Now we're seeing slightly... Now, ignore the bullet and look at the quality of the imaging of the glove. Goes to shit there. Look here, here, and here. Also look at the badge, Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department. I was told at one time this was supposed to be a video of a security guy finding these. So this may not be the video I was supposed to be referred to. But while I'm looking at this, unless I can get a better quality version of it or the original, this is the better frame to look at because we can see details in the button a little bit. So it's that. So what we're looking at here is not, that is not a round that would be coming out of a .223 rifle. That's an oversized pistol round maybe. The bullet is the same size as the casing, and it appears to still have the bullet in it. Very much so, as a matter of fact. It does not look like it's an empty shell casing. So that makes it a variety that would be used. I'm guessing it's a 38, 357, somewhere in that range. It could be anything, actually, unless we get a full image of it in high res. And I've noticed the problem here. These are evidence-collecting people who, when they get a solid piece of evidence, physical evidence, they don't worry about imaging it. They just make note of the location, make sure they're wearing the gloves in case there's a fingerprint, so they don't totally screw up the ability to track it down. They considered everything. This actually tells you how much they were trying to find any evidence of anything that night, just because they were trying to figure out what was going on, too. They weren't hiding evidence, they were trying to collect it. And I should point out, there should be a report somewhere, and they should have identified it. But anyway, the only thing they said was gold dot ammo. And then one of them said, yeah, I don't think such and such would be using .223. Just because these cops don't know what's going on at the Mandalay Bay or the rifle rounds that were used doesn't mean anything. Also, this was under the Nostradamus original name for the channel, which is now Las Vegas Shooting Archive. One way or another, don't matter. What does matter is I would need the original copy, and we do have the time and date stamp context. 2017, October 2nd, obviously it's GMT shifted, and there's your timing on it. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Good luck with that, and I hope this was useful to someone out there, but I'm very sure that has nothing to do with the shooting itself. Bye.